Want incredible 4K aerial footage, long-range control, and advanced obstacle avoidance without paying thousands of dollars? Stick around as we count down the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress in 2025 that deliver premium performance at budget-friendly prices. Please watch the full video to know which drone is the best, because my number 1 pick offers flagship-level features normally found only in high-end DJI models. Let's get started. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. S156 4K Drone. The S156 is a compact brushless motor drone equipped with dual 4K cameras and an ESC feature for smooth angle adjustments. It includes optical flow positioning, FPV Wi-Fi transmission, and a remote controller with a built-in screen for easy live monitoring. Product reviews. Users praise the S156 for its stable flight performance, reliable GPS positioning, and impressive video clarity for its low cost. Many buyers highlight its strong wind resistance and ease of use for beginners. Pros: brushless motors for smoother, quieter flight. Dual 4K cameras with S control. Built-in screen remote controller. Excellent value for beginners and casual flyers. Number 4. SG109 Pro Max. The SG109 Pro Max offers 5G Wi-Fi FPV, GPS return to home, a 4K camera, and a large 4.5-inch screen built directly into the remote control. It is foldable, lightweight, and designed for aerial photography enthusiasts who want crisp video quality and long-distance control. Product reviews. Buyers appreciate the long control range, clear real-time video feedback, and stable hovering thanks to its intelligent flight system. Many reviews mention that it's exceptionally easy to fly for first-time users. Pros: large screen remote for real-time FPV. Strong GPS lock and reliable RTH. Good range for the price. Travel-friendly foldable design. Number 3. GT8 4K Drone. Product info. The GT8 drone features a 4K HD camera, enhanced obstacle avoidance, foldable body, and a high-precision stabilization system. It includes a bright LCD screen controller and supports extended battery life for longer aerial sessions. Product reviews. Most users say the GT8 offers surprisingly smooth footage, even during windy conditions. Reviewers highlight the outstanding build quality and strong flight stability compared to other drones in this price category. Pros: strong obstacle avoidance system. Durable build quality. LCD screen controller. Smooth video capture and stable hovering. Number 2. D13 4K Drone. The D13 packs a professional 4K triple camera setup, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, brushless motors, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a large built-in controller display. It emphasizes versatility with its wide, ultra-wide, and downward cameras for creative angles. Product reviews. Users love the upgraded triple camera system, stating that it captures excellent color accuracy and clarity. Many also mention smooth connectivity, minimal lag, and precise flight control from the brushless motor system. Pros: triple 4K camera setup. Full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Large built-in screen controller. Excellent color and detail capture. Number 1. 600 Lira Pro Max Drone. The 600 Lira Pro Max is a professional-grade GPS drone featuring a 5 km long-range signal, a 4K HD dual camera system, a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth stabilization, and advanced 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. It is powered by brushless motors and designed for serious aerial photography. Product reviews. This drone receives outstanding feedback for its gimbal performance, producing remarkably stable 4K footage. Users highlight the long flight distance, strong battery life, and exceptional obstacle detection that rivals premium drone brands. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for ultra-stable professional footage. 5 km long-range control. Full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Brushless motors and strong flight stability. Best price to performance ratio. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 4K drones in 2025. If you watched till the end, the 600 Lira Pro Max is the best overall pick due to its 3-axis gimbal, long-range performance, and top-tier stabilization that outperforms every other drone on this list. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Comment below which drone you are planning to buy and I will help guide you further. Thank you for watching.